Hi guys, I am Shahid and today we are going to start our first course. In this course, we will show you how to use Filmora software. As you know, the Filmora is a video editing software. In this video, I will show you how to download, install and a brief overview of Filmora software. So let's start. You need to open a browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You can also use a Chrome browser. And now write google.com and press enter. Now write Filmora and search for them. And press free downloads. And then try it for free. And your download will be start. So my download will be started. After downloading, you have to open it. And then press run. I don't know what happened. I am searching in my computer and then downloads and press Filmora. Now it will download files that it had need. It will setting up. It will setting up. Now we will start the Filmora 9. It will starting up. And finally it will install it. Now you can see the interface of application. This timeline, and here you can add a video that you want to edit. And if you want to preview your video, you can see on top right corner. So we have successfully installed the Filmora X software. In coming videos, I will show you how to use Filmora 9. I will show you everything about you need to know it. And if you want to learn Filmora X, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss of my any update. And thanks for watching my video.